My name is Preeti Uttarwar and I am starting first chapter, that is Introduction to NoSQL from Database Technology. And in this video we will cover three topics: what is NoSQL, why NoSQL, and features of NoSQL. So let's start. What is NoSQL? NoSQL stands for not only SQL. NoSQL database is a non-relational data management system and that does not require a fixed schema. It avoids joins and it's easy to scale. The major purpose of using a NoSQL database is for distributed data stored, and NoSQL is uses for a big data and real-time web app. For example, companies like Twitter, Facebook, and Google collect the terabytes of user data every single day. So, traditional RDBMS uses the SQL syntax to store and retrieve the data. Instead, that NoSQL database system uses a wide range of database technologies and that can store the structured, unstructured, or semi-structured data. Now we will see why NoSQL. When the application grows, relational database start facing the scalability issue. If we talk about the big website such as Facebook, Google, Amazon that throws billions or trillions of queries within a small amount of time, then traditional database get failed in handling the queries. To get a rid of this limitation in relational database, NoSQL come in the picture to solve the problem. We will scale up our system by upgrading our existing hardware. This process is expensive. The alternative for this issue is to distribute the database load on multiple hosts or multiple nodes. Whenever the load increases, this method is known as the scale out. We will see the features of NoSQL. There are 5 important features of NoSQL databases. First is the multimodal. As we know that the relational database stored the data in a fixed and predefined format. And it means when you start development, you have to define your data schema. And in terms of tables and column, and you have to change the schema every time as the requirement change. And this will lead to creating a new columns, defining a new relation reflecting the changes in your applications. Instead of that, NoSQL database provide a more flexibility. It comes to handling the data. There is a no restriction to specify the schema to start working with the application. Also, NoSQL databases doesn't put a restriction on the type of data you can store, and it allow you to add a more new type of data and new type as your need changes. Next features is easily scalable. The primary reason to choose a NoSQL database is it's easily scalable. And well, relational database can also scale but not easily and at not a lower cost. Okay. Next feature is the distributed. Relational databases use a centralized application that is on location dependent. On other hand, the NoSQL database is designed to distribute data on a global scale. It uses the multiple location involving multiple data center. And the next feature is the big data application. NoSQL can handle the massive amount of data very quickly, and that's the reason it is the best suited for the big data application. And fifth feature is the redundancy and zero downtime. What will happen if the hardware will fail? Well, NoSQL can handle or design in a such a way that this can handle this situation. Hardware failure is a serious concern while developing an application. The masterclass architecture of the NoSQL database allows the multiple copy of data to be maintained across the different nodes. And if one node goes down, then another node will have to copy on the data and easy and fast to access. and this leads to zero downtime in the NoSQL database. When one considers the cost of downtime, this is a very big deal. So these are the 5 important features of NoSQL databases, that is the non-sequential. I hope you understand the basic about non-sequential database. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.